Well. It's time to rip off the band-aid. I did it, everyone. I did it. I messed up. I blew up. It finally happened. So today, I'm gonna talk about what happened so I can move on from this already. It's already 3 AM habang nare-record ko 'to kaya medyo mahina yung boses ko. But bear with me. So, today I decided to copy trade 20 accounts as you can see here. Ang ganda ng umaga ko, but nagkaroon ako ng $400 across 7 accounts, but then I got chopped out. It happens. Usually, a max loss ko with 50K account is around $400, habang sa 150K account naman is around $800. But as you can see from this PNL, it's way more. So, ano nga bang, saan ba ako nagkamali? I think it's a combination of forcing bias. At nangyayari to kapag yung hindi ako nag-i-stick with my plan, hindi ako nag-i-stick with the basic. As you can see here, naglong ako here. After ng stream, naglong ako actually here. Umabot siya ng 30 points. Hindi ako nag-TP. I tried again. Naglong ako. Umabot ng 20 points. Hindi ako nag-TP. Na-stop out ako. Then I did it again. Naglong na naman ako. Basically, on this chop zone, nakalimang long ako. Usually, 2 to 3 trades, I'm done for the day regardless ano pa yung PNL ko. But, yun yung nangyayari kapag fina-force mo yung bias mo. So, my idea going into today is that pupuntahan itong equal high kasi for me, that's very clean high. But overall, the trend is downtrend. If titingnan mo yung downtrend, it's been very, very downside. Ang lalaki ng mga movement na to. So from here, 1 hour candle, 1 hour candle, 1 hour candle, 1 hour candle. Same thing happened here. Nagkikreate lang siya ng lower high and lower low. And yung mga equal high katulad ng double top na ganito, hindi siya na-taken out. And I was forcing my bias since yesterday. Kaya yun nga, na-blow ko yung mga account ko. So instead of 20 accounts, tomorrow I'll be trading fewer accounts. As you can see, ilan yung na-blow ko dito? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rest, 7. The rest buhay pa. But look, ilan na lang yung drawdown nito? Nagti 300, 400, 500. Hopeless na ako on this account. I'm not sure if I can even make this. What is sad about this is itong tatlong account ko, 19, 21, and 23. Itong mga to, tinitrade ko for more than 2 months and ang ganda ng PNL curve ko sa mga account na to. If we look at this PA23 under performance tab, if we look at this year, yep, this year, we can see ang ganda ng PNL curve ko. Starting January, dahil nag-i-stick ako with Basic, you can see yung PNL curve ko pataas. But ever since nag-start ako mag-trade ng London outside of my hours, napunta ako sa point na may drawdown ako. And ngayon, week lang ako ulit nag-live stream. And the problem is, nasa drawdown ako and gusto ko within 1 to 2 trades, mabalik ko yung mga drawdown. And that's a bad mindset to have. As you can see, nag-reflect yun sa PNL ko. It's sad kasi yun nga, I was hoping na I can get 6K payout. I just need 1K sa mga account na to, but instead, I F up. So basically, ang mga account na to, meron na lang $200 drawdown. Maybe tomorrow, mabublow ko sila. I don't know. At this point, I'm fine kung mawala lang sila sa akin. Gusto ko na lang mag-refresh at mag-trade ng mga new evaluation account at maging funded ulit. And trade with a fresh account, 2,500. Actually, I just activated another PA here, 47, and then nagtitrade ako ulit ng mga evaluation and see if I can pass. As you can see, may napasa na ako ng dalawa and may nabagsak akong tatlo today. So, almost 1:1. And yeah, we'll see. Right now, my focus is going back to my basic mentality and not looking for more, being done after 2 to 3 trades. So, kung nasa chat kayo, help me be accountable. Ang lamig. Nilalamig ako. So, yun. Chat. I'm saying this now para alam nyo, hindi laging panalo. It's gonna be up and down, roller coaster of emotion. Kahit na sinabi ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko nagagawin to, I did it again. And I F up. And it's my fault. So, yeah, it's just one of those days, na Very, very weird market. I don't know how to read this. Basically, na-chop ako dito sa area na to and yeah, I F up. Kung titingnan mo, naglong ako here, stop to the tick, then pumunta siya ulit sa favor ko. I hate this when it happened, but it's part of the game. So, guys, if you like this video, if you like the transparency, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow on the live stream, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 10:30 sa Pilipinas. So, yeah, guys, I'll see you again tomorrow, live stream, 9:30. Like, subscribe, use the code with Apex Ron, and yeah, peace.